Today, we're going to build a twin pod cloud car using 5 Lego pieces.
These are all the pieces you are going to need. In the description of this video, I left the piece names, count, and design IDs.
The first thing we're going to do is grab a 1x3 plate. And on the ends of these 1x3 plates, we're going to put these 1x1 plates with tooth. Now, this is a great example of why these cloud cars are kind of hard to make, because in reality, it should be like a dark orange or a burnt orange. But this tooth piece only comes in that color, as of now, in the Beauty and the Beast brickhead set. So unless you have that one set, you're not going to have the right color laying around. So I went with red. So I'm just going to put those plates with teeth on the side of our plate and get them all straight so they're nice and lined up, because those are going to be the twin pods of our car. And then on top of those plates, those tooth plates, we're going to put a 1x1 round translucent tile piece, and that's going to be the cockpit to our twin pod cloud car. But once you've got those 5 pieces assembled, here you can see our cloud car circling Cloud City over Bespin.
If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe, and you can click on the image to watch another video. Until next time, let's keep building together.